Hi students, welcome to my teacher channel. In the previous video, we have seen what are simple equations and how to solve them. Now, in this video, we are going to solve the questions given in exercise 2.1 of second chapter linear equations in one variable. So children, you might have remembered the rules in transposing the quantities in a simple equation. The first one, whenever a positive quantity is transposed to the other side, it becomes negative quantity, and a negative quantity after transposing becomes positive. An into quantity becomes by, and a by dividing quantity becomes into. So keep these things in your mind before solving the questions. So let us start the first one from the exercise, and that is 6m is equal to 12. We need to solve this simple equation. Children, solving an equation is nothing but finding the value of the variable present in the equation. So what is the variable present in this equation? Yes, it is m. So we need to find the value of m for which this equation becomes satisfied. Okay? So in the solution, let us take the given equation 6m is equal to 12. And we need to find the value of m. Other than m, what is present in the equation, let us see. See, other than m, 6 is present. Then between 6 and m, what symbol is there? Do you find any symbol? No. That means there is into in between them, right? So 6 into m. So into 6, we need to transpose to the other side. So into quantity after transposing becomes by. Very good. So let me transpose 6 to the other side. That implies. So 6 is transposed there. M is equal to 12, and into 6 other side becomes by 6. Perfect. Did you understand? In this equation 6 into m. Now into 6 is transposed to the other side, became by 6. Great. Now let us simplify this fraction. 6 ones are 6 twos are 6 twos are 12. Great. That implies m is equal to 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. Now we got the value for m as 2. Let us check whether this m value 2 is correct or not. Right. Checking. Now, how are we going to check? Simple. In the given equation, let me substitute the value of m. If you get the LHS value is equal to RHS, that means our answer is correct. So let me take the left hand side of the equation. LHS. What is the left hand side? 6m. 6 into m. M value is how much? 2. Now why I have taken into there? 6 and m in the middle, no symbol is there. That means it is into. Now 6 twos are 12. So what is 12? Here it is. 12 is the RHS of the equation. So I have taken LHS and I got RHS. Therefore, m value is 2. Now, let us find the solution for the second equation. And the equation is like this. 14p is equal to minus 42. It is similar to our previous question. Let us solve it. Solution. Let me take the given equation. That is 14p is equal to minus 42. Now, in this term, what is the variable? P. So we need to find the value for p. Other than p, what is there? 14. Now between 14 and p, do you find any symbol? No. That means it is into. Into quantity, when it is transposed to the other side, it becomes by. So let me transpose 14 on the other side. Now this implies p is equal to, I'm not writing 14 here because 14 is going there, is equal to minus 42. Now into 14 on other side is becoming by 14. Now we need to simplify this fraction. Yes. So let us do that. 7 2s are 14. 7 6s are 42. I think it can be simplified further. Yeah. 2 1s are and 2 3s are. Or simply 14 3s are 42. Alright. Now p is equal to, we should not forget the symbol. What is the symbol present here? Minus 3 by 1. Need not to write. So it is minus 3 by 1 is nothing but minus 3. So p value what I got? Minus 3. Is this correct? Let us check. Now how do we check? Simple. We need to substitute the value of p in the given equation in the RHS. And if we get it is equal to LHS, then that means our answer is correct. So let me take the LHS of the equation 14p, which is equal to 14. No symbol means into p value. What is the value for p we got? Minus 3. Let me take in a bracket. 14 3s are 42. And symbol is plus into minus, minus. So minus 42 is nothing but RHS. Yes, minus 42 is RHS. I have taken LHS and I got RHS. Means LHS is equal to RHS. That is possible for p is equal to minus 3. Therefore, p value is nothing but minus 3. The third equation is like this. Minus 5y is equal to 30. In this simple equation, what is the variable? Yes, it is y. Now we need to find y value, right? So let us see. In the solution, let me take the given equation. Minus 5y is equal to 30. Now, other than the variable, what is the term that is there? Minus 5. Children, here many students will confuse that if they transpose minus 5 on other side, they think that it becomes plus 5. Of course, a minus quantity, when it is transposed, it becomes plus quantity. But we need to be careful that with this term and the variable, what is the relation between them? Means which operation is there between them? Either it is plus or minus, that into or divide. That we need to keep in mind, right? So we should not see the symbol before the number. We should check what is the operation between the number, means constant, and what? Variable. Between the constant and variable, what operation is there? Plus, minus, into, divide. That we need to see while transposing the terms. So we need to be very careful, children. Here, between minus 5 and y, what is the symbol do you find? No symbol is present in between. That means it is into. So, minus 5 into y. So, this is having into. An into quantity, when it is transposed, it becomes by. So, don't get confused. Be very clear. Now, minus 5 into y. So, when my into minus 5 I am transposing, it becomes by. So, that implies minus 5 is going that side. Y is equal to 30. Minus 5 is doing into. Other side by minus 5. Got it? Perfect. And let us simplify this fraction. Minus 5. 5 ones are 5 6 are. That implies y is equal to 6 by minus 1, which is nothing but y is equal to 6 by 1 is 6, and we got the symbol minus. So y value is minus 6. Let me check. In checking, let us take the LHS of the equation minus 5y. That means minus 5. What is the operation here? Into y. Y value how much you got? Minus 6. Let me take in a bracket. Now, minus into minus plus 5 6 are 30. Now, what is 30? 30 is the RHS of the equation. So, here LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, the answer y is equal to minus 6 is the solution of the equation. Now, the fourth equation is like this. Minus 2x is equal to minus 12. Right? Let us take the given equation. Minus 2x is equal to minus 12. Now, as I already told you, you should not see the symbol in front of the constant. You should see what is the relation between the constant and variable. Means between minus 2 and x, what is the symbol present? No symbol, that means it is into. So minus 2 is doing into with x. So now into quantity transposed to other side becomes by. So let us take x is equal to minus 12 by minus 2. Okay. Now we need to simplify this fraction. How? Let me cancel the symbols. Minus and minus cancelled. That means it becomes plus. Now 2 ones are 2 6 are. So x becomes 6. Isn't it? Now this will be the solution. Is it the solution for the equation? Let me check. Now we need to, in the checking, we know what we have to take. First we have to take LHS, substitute the value of the variables. If you get RHS, that means LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, what you got is the solution for the equation. So let me take LHS. What is the left hand side in this equation? Minus 2x. That means minus 2 into x value. What is the x value? 6. Now minus 2 6 are 12. See here, minus 12 is RHS. So this is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, the x value 6 is the solution. Therefore, the solution of the equation is x is equal to 6. Now, the fifth equation is 34x is equal to minus 51. Let us simplify this. So, in the solution, let me take the given equation. 34 is x is equal to minus 51. So, other than variable, what is present? 34. Now, between the constant and variable, what is the relation is there? Into. So, into 34, when I transpose, it becomes by 34. Great. So, that implies x is equal to, we are not writing 34 because it is transposed, right? X is equal to minus 51 into 34. On other side becomes by 34. Now, what is the step that we need to do? Yes, we need to simplify the fraction. Now, what is a common factor for these two? Yes, it is 17. Now, 17 2s are 34. 17 3s are 51. Okay. Now, x is equal to minus, should not forget the symbols, minus 3 by 2. Now, whether this x is equal to minus 3 by 2 is a solution for this equation or not, let us check. Checking. So we need to take the LHS, that is 34x, which is nothing but 34 into x. X value is what? Minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. So let me take this minus 3 in a bracket. Now, into by. So we can cancel that. 2 ones are now. 2 ones are 2. Out of 3, 2 ones are 2. 1 left. And 1 4, 14. 2 sevens are 14. That is equal to 17 into minus 3. Isn't it? Now, 17 threes are. Yes, it is 51. Plus into minus, minus. So minus 51, which is the RHS of the equation. So here we got LHS is equal to RHS. That means the solution is x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So the next equation is n by 7 is equal to minus 3. Now let me take the given equation n by 7 is equal to minus 3. Now, other than the variable n, what is present? Yes, it is 7. Now, what is the operation between the variable and the constant? N by 7. So, 7 is dividing here, isn't it? A dividing quantity, when it is transposed to other side, it becomes into. Perfect. A dividing quantity transposed, it becomes into. So let me transpose the 7 other side. So what is left here? N is equal to minus 3. Now this 7 is coming here. By 7, on other side it becomes into 7. Perfect. That implies N is equal to minus into, no symbol means plus. Minus into plus is minus 3 sevens are 21. So n value, the variable value is nothing but the solution of the equation. Let us check the solution. Now, checking. So what is the LHS in the equation? Left hand side, n by 7. And what is RHS? Minus 3. If I take LHS and substitute the value of the variable that we got, and if we get RHS in the end, that means LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, what we get is the solution for the equation. So let me take the LHS here, n by 7. What is n value? N value is minus 21 by 7. So what we need to do here? Simplify the fraction. 7 ones are, 7 threes are. Now minus 3 by 1 is nothing but minus 3. What is minus 3? Yes, it is RHS. Therefore, the solution is, what is the solution? N is equal to minus 21. Now, the seventh equation in this exercise is like this. 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Now, we need to solve this equation. Means we need to find the solution of this equation. Okay. So, let me take the given equation. 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Now, how are we going to solve? What will be our first step? First, what is the variable present in this equation? Let us check. X is the variable. Now, close this variable term. What is the other term present? 3. Isn't it? Now, what this 3 is doing? By 3. Now, this dividing quantity, we need to transpose the other side. So, what it becomes? Into 3. So, now first, other than the variable term, by 3, this by 3 I am transposing. So, it becomes into 3. Okay. So, 2x is as it is. I am not writing 3 because it is transposed. Is equal to 18. Now, this by 3 is coming here and becoming into 3. Isn't it? By, after transposing, becomes into. Now, 2x is equal to 18 threes are how much? Yes, it is 54. Great. Now in this term, what is the other constant left? Yes, it is 2. 2 and x. What is there in the middle? Into. Now into quantity, into 2, transpose other side, it becomes by 2. Great. So 2 is transposed, don't write 2, only x is equal to 54 into 2, other side is becoming by 2. Now 2 ones are 2, now 2 twos are 4 out of 5, 2 twos are 4, 1 left, 1 4 14, 2 sevens are 14. Great. Now x is equal to 27 by 1, which is nothing but 27. Now, whether this x is equal to 27 is correct or not, we need to check. Checking. What is the equation given? What is the LHS in the equation? 2x by 3, isn't it? Now, 2 and what is the symbol between 2 and x? It is into, isn't it? Now, what the value we got for x? 27 by 3. Children, what we did here? Simple. Where the variable is there, we are substituting the value of the variable in this expression, right? 2 into, in place of x, I am writing 27 by 3. Now, will it go in 3 table, 27? Yes, it is. So, we can cancel, I think. Yeah, 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. But children, be very careful. Here, into and by, then you can cancel. Suppose here plus or minus is there in between these two. So you cannot cancel, right? So keep that in mind. Now, 2 nines are 18 by 1 is nothing but 18 only. So what is 18? 18 is RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. That means our answer is correct. Therefore, the solution is x is equal to 27.